Exercise 1.4 tensor. A function f maps close to interval minus 5, comma 9 to real number is defined as follows. F of x is equal to 6x plus 1, first function. That function lies in between. Here x is greater than or equal to minus 5, lesser than 2. Second function, f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. Here x lies in between greater than or equal to 2, lesser than 6. Third function, f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. Here x lies between greater than or equal to 6, lesser than or equal to 9. Here given three functions. The three functions are, each function lies in the given intervals. The first interval is from minus 5 to plus 2. The second interval is 2 to 6. The third interval is 6 to 9. The first function, in the first interval, the function is f of x is equal to 6x minus plus 1. In the second interval, the function is f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. In the third interval, the function is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. First one, find f of minus 3 plus f of 2. F of minus 3, it means here x is minus 3. It lies in the first interval. The function for first interval, f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. F of minus 3 is equal to 6 into minus 3 plus 1, minus 18 plus 1, minus 17. Next, f of 2. F of 2, that is x is equal to 2. It lies in the second interval. Here the function is f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. F of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 square minus 1. 5 into 4 minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19. F of 2 is 19. Therefore, f of minus 3 plus f of 2 is minus 3. F of minus 3 minus 17. F of 2 is 19. We get 2. F of 7 minus f of 1. F of 7. Here x is 7. It lies in the third interval. Third interval function is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 7 is equal to 3 into 7 minus 4, 21 minus 4, 17. F of 1, here x is 1. It lies in the, 1 is lies in the first interval. Its function is f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. F of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 1, 7. F of 7 minus f of 1 is equal to, f of 7 is 17. F of 1 is 7. We get 7. F2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. F of 4, here x is 4. It lies in the second interval. Second interval function f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. 2 into f of 4. 2 into 5 into 4 square minus 1. 2 into 5 into 16 minus 1. 2 into 80 minus 1 by 1. 2 into 79. 18, 158. 2 into f of 4 is 158. F of 8, that is, here x is 8. It lies in the third interval. Third function is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 8 is equal to 3 into 8 minus 4. F of 8 is 24 minus 4. 20. Therefore, f of 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. 158 plus 20. 178. First find f of minus 2. Here x is minus 2. It lies in the first interval. First interval function is f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. 2 into f of minus 2. 2 into 6 into minus 2 plus 1. 2 into minus 12 plus 1. 2 into minus 11 minus 22. Yeah, 2 into f of minus 2 is minus 22. F of 6, that is x is 6. It lies in the third function is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 6 is 3 into 6 minus 4. 18 minus 4. 14. F of 4. Here x is 4. It lies in the second interval. The function for second interval is f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. F of 4 is 5 into 4 square minus 1. 5 into 16 minus 1. 80 minus 1. 79. F of 4. F of minus 2. F of minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 2. It lies in the first interval. First interval function is f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. F of minus 2. 6 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 12 plus 1. F of minus 2 is minus 11. 2 into minus f of 2. Minus 22. Minus f of 6. 14 by f of 4. 79. Plus f of minus 2. Minus 11. Minus 36 by 79 minus 11. Minus 36 by minus 68. So plus 68. Divided by 4. We get 9. Here 1. 7 minus 9 by 17. Exercise 1.4 11th sum. The distance S an object travel under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by S of t is equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus 6b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, a comma b are constants. Verify whether the function s of t is 1 1 or not. 11th sum. Even function s of t is 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b. Verify s of t is 1 1 or not. S of t1 is equal to s of t2. Half into g t1 square plus at1 plus b is equal to half into g t2 square plus at2 plus b. Half g t1 square minus half g t2 square plus a t1 minus a t2 square t2 plus b minus b is equal to 0. Half into g into t1 square minus t2 square plus a into t1 minus t2 is equal to 0. Half into g into t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2 plus a into t1 minus t2 is equal to 0. Here t1 minus t2 is common, taken out. Half into g into t1 plus t2 plus a is equal to 0. t1 minus t2 is equal to 0. Half into g into t1 plus t2 plus a is equal to 0. t1 minus t2 is equal to 0. t1 is equal to t2. Therefore s of t is 1 1 function.